figured out now. I had to, never taken apart this type of carburetors, so not one that's got the thing that runs all the way through it like that. And I didn't realize that this has to come all the way out. It actually bolts into that rod that goes through. So now this guy should, well, I got to get this plate off first, so it means I got to push the rod all the way out. So we'll just take the rest of these out, put them in their respective places. Mud-divers built nests on these things, I swear. bodies at a time here. I'm going to have to do several baths because all this won't fit in my little cleaner here. Let me get that set up and I'll show you how it works. So here we are. I cannot fit two at a time in there, so I'm putting number one and its bowl and float and all that good stuff in there with it. I can't fit everything in there, but there we go. We're going to set this for 30 minutes. Yep, and 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. Turn it on. Put the lid on it, and we're all good to go. Doctor's bumping the tripod. Sorry about that. Alright. See you in about 30 minutes. We'll see how they look. So, yeah, that looks substantially better. I was actually surprised to see it come out as shiny as it did. It works. A little bit of gasket residue left, but I can scrape that with a razor knife and get it off of there. Now the body of the carb was laying this way in there, so the top little bit right here didn't get cleaned up. I'm probably just going to take a brush and clean it out in there and maybe use some of the fluid from the little sonic cleaner there. But otherwise it came out good. And a little bit of corrosion right there that didn't come off, but that's pretty impressive. I've never used this little dude before, so I am surprised and pleased. I think it was worth the money that I spent on it. Even that cleaned up. Alright, onward and forward.
Je call, I fall. There's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle. There's a
And there we are, all rebuilt. New jets, new parts, new gaskets. They've all taken a bath. Some of that stuff did not come out, but if it's in there that good, I'm not going to worry about it too much. I even scrubbed on it with a little wire brush, and it didn't come out, so I figure it ain't going in either, if that's the case. Oh well. Onward and forward. Let's see what I can get myself into next, right? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.